forward facing, short. There's two bolts right there. They go kind of at an angle. There's a, what's the thing, pinch well? Is that what they called it? You drill what, 2 holes or no? There's already holes.
No, you drill.
Drill 2
Put
holes.
this bolt in the back first. Get it lined up. Mark these 2 holes where they go. Drill them. Put the bolts in.
Right.
See how this one has holes I drilled already?
But how do you know where to put them on the?
Where to put what?
Where to put these? Relation to where the front door is. How do you?
Because there's the hole. These plugs you take out. See plugs laying on the ground over there.
There's plugs.
There's plugs in the back up here.
Yeah.
Where you put this bolt in.
Okay, so you pull the plug out right there, and that's where you put the hole, one of those, in the back, through the hole. That'll tell you where to line it up on. Once you get that, you mark your hole with those 2 holes there to drill through the pinch weld, and you put that on.